Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I am going to show you the tutorial of this very cute drawing. Please watch this video till end. Let's get started.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound.
If you love this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.